by the resources of the modern education system, then the education system of India will be accepted everywhere in the world. Other countries people will demand, please give me permission to take this system for improving, for implementation in our country, but nobody is demanding, please give me your system, your administration system, education system, which I can improve in our country, I can implement in our country. No one is demanding. Why? As we demanded in our constitution. In our constitution, in fundamental right, Article 30 is mentioned, right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. It means government is providing day by day to build the colleges, universities, education places from where lot of the persons can get knowledge which are necessary for improving the society. But government is doing on this process, government is developing this project, but the administration and follower of these rules and regulations are not well as it should be done. So that when it will be confirmed and it will be accepted among the people, then this system of the education will be accepted and will be beneficial. But surely I can say modern time education system of India is not going well as it should be. For example, in modern time, lot of the people are called degree holders. They are not called well educated. Why? Suppose if government launch a vacancy, single vacancy, there will be lot of the applicants and responsible for that. There will be lot of the applications at the time of exam, at the time of interviews. People will be unsuccessful. Right? Actually, although they have UG, PG, PhD and so on, degree holders they are, but they are not getting success in their problems. They are not getting success in their plans. Why they are not getting? They have eligibility, they are qualified, they are well educated according to the degree, but they are not well educated according to knowledge. So that they are failing there. They have got their degrees by taking by giving the donation, by giving the prize, by giving the lot of the resources, by giving the relatives, by taking the benefit for the leaders. They are getting the degrees only. They are not trying to get the knowledge, which is our basic fact. Without knowledge, we can never do anything. Suppose when India went in the British colors, from that time our education system has been damaged. British entered in India with a little bit intention as a trader, as a merchant, but they ruled over India approximately 90 years. Why? Why this nice kingdom of a Mughal dynasty and they came into the British colors? They were unwell educated. The system of the education was not good as should be. If the Mughal dynasty would be well educated, they could understand the negotiation of the British remarks, and it was not possible for the British to rule over India more than approximately 90 years. But that time the people of Mughal dynasty were not well educated, so that our lovely India is built in the British colors. If we want to improve our education system in the present time, this day will be seen one day more as our ancestors have present in the time of the Mughal dynasty. The day of that period is not moved far. The day is near. We all also will be slaves in one day if our education system will not be improved. That all. Thank you.